Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can free up disk space in CapCut. So if your storage is full or your CapCut is running slowly, you can just free up your space on CapCut by following my steps here. So the first one that you can do is of course delete the projects in your CapCut PC, but make sure you already save the project. And if you want to delete it, you can just on the home screen in here on the home page, you can just click on these three dots icon on the project itself. There will be this option to delete it. Move to trust, you can just tap on OK and it will be removed. So that's the first method. Second method is that you can just clear the cache of the app by going to the settings in here at the top. Tap on settings, and in here under the draft tab you'll see the cache size. So if you don't clear it regularly, this might become a problem because it might full or fill your space. So you can just tap on this, or you can also enable the auto delete cache and set a certain of time. But now let's just clear the current cache in here. You don't need to worry because it doesn't affect the use of history project. So you can just tap on OK and it will be removing the cache. And after that, your this space will make a new space, or there's a new uh, space for your project. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks. Bye.